Hello, families. We hope you're doing well. We want to introduce you to a game. It needs 2 dice. It's called Greedy Pig Multiplication Head-to-Head, or Head-to-Head Greedy Pig Multiplication. You can say it either way. Name of the game is you're going to play a total of 3 rounds. Every time you roll the 2 dice, so if I rolled 5 and 5, that'd be 5 times 5 is 25. I have a decision to make. Do I want to keep 25 for round 1? Or do I want to add on to 25? So I can roll again. Let's say I rolled a 5 and a 3, so that'd be 15. 25 plus 15 would give me a total of 40. So I may stop for round 1. Because if I keep rolling, and at any time I roll a 5 and a 1, anytime you roll a 1, that actually negates your points for that round. So we'll start the game and we'll show you how it works. I'm going to roll first, and then we're going to roll second. So 5 times 5 is 25. I'm going to stop at 25. So I got 25 for that round. Now Morgan rolls. So Morgan, 6 and 4, which is
24.
24. She has a choice. Does she keep 24, or do you want to roll again and see if you can't get more than 24? Oh, so she had 2 and 2 is 4. 24 plus 4 is 28. Do you want to keep
28?
Okay, so she's keeping 28. Now imagine that she said, oh, I want to keep rolling. What if she would have rolled again and she would have rolled a 1? That would have wiped out that round. But she didn't do that, so she's still alive. So I'm going to roll. So 6 and 6 is 36. I want to roll again. Ooh, 10. I'm going to stop. 36, so 46. So 6 and 4 is
24.
She's rolling again. 6 and 2 is 12. 24 plus 12 is
36. I'm going to go one more time.
Oh, she rolled a 1 though. So because she rolled a 1, she doesn't get those points. She's at 0 for that round. So we're going to roll again. So 5 and 2 is 10. I'm going to get a little greedy. Ooh, 10 again. So that's 20. I'm going to take 20. I'll stop at 20. Now, if I would have rolled again, and let's say I would have rolled Snake Eyes, it actually wipes out all my points. Snake Eyes cancels out all your points. But obviously that didn't happen. So I know Morgan's trying to beat. She has 28 working. She's trying to beat 71. So 5 and 6 is 30. Oh, she got 0 because the 1. So then I won that game. This is called Greedy Pig Head-to-Head Multiplication, or Head-to-Head Multiplication Greedy Pig. Hopefully that makes sense, and it's a fun game you can enjoy as you work on your multiplication facts, and we can go from there. And the nice thing is, as you notice, there was a calculation error, so Morgan fixed it, which is beautiful. Thank you.